We got our parts in early for once. This wasn't supposed to show up until Wednesday. Got delivered this morning. This is everything we need for the front end. They're working to get the calipers and spindles off. How many dads do you know in the 70s that's all tatted up and can still work on cars like this? Taking off the bearings and the rotor. Old ass dust plate. Dad's working on the spindle. Harley's working on a nappy. About to drop all the tie rods and everything. Down to control arm bolts. Making good progress today, guys. Looks like Dad's doing all the work today. Here's some of the front end parts that we got out today. And we got a surprise delivery. We got our new parts today that weren't supposed to come till Wednesday. And the crowd goes wild. So the next step on the Chevelle, while this is all open, gonna go ahead and wire brush this. He's gonna repaint it. Get it all nice and fresh. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.